up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm J Castro MUA, welcome. Today I am doing an unboxing on my summer 2020 FabFitFun box. I haven't done one of these in a very long time. So basically what I do is I explain the box, explain what kind of member I am, and then I go through each of the products that I received in the box, and then I'll tell you how much each of the products are worth and if I think the box in general is worth it. I pay about $90 for this box and it comes 4 times a year. It's about $65 American, but once you convert it and everything, it comes to $90. You get the box 4 times a year, spring, summer, winter, and fall. And you just get like a bunch of awesome products. You can get makeup, skincare products, working out products, things for your house, purses, wallets, jewelry. Like the options are unreal with this box. So I'm gonna go through the box, walk you through it, and talk about all the products that I got. Please don't forget to comment on this video, like this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I would greatly appreciate it. If you want to see what I got in my summer 2020 FabFitFun box, then please continue watching. So usually what I do is I pretty much just shove my hand in there, pick out a product, and go through it. Like always, you get the FabFitFun magazine. Honestly, I have never read one of these magazines. What I do, the only thing I do with the magazine is I find the page where all the products are on that tell you the price and everything and what they're for, and that's basically it. And then I toss this out. Not gonna lie. In the book, you get a list of all the products that could have been in your box and the products that are in your box. So there are all members, select members, and FabFitFun pick members. First pick, I do not like looking, I just go in. Okay, so I got the Ayla Face and Body Ice Roller. So this is the Ayla Ice Roller, and I'll read what it says. So it says, Ayla Ice Roller, Ice Baby, reduce puffy eyes and rejuvenate tired skin. And this retails for $30 on its own. So let's read the box because it gives you way more information than the book does. Enjoy the benefits of cold therapy with this extremely convenient tool by Ayla. I might be saying her name completely wrong, sorry if I am. Gets rid of puffy eyes, redness, tightness, and rejuvenates skin. Achieve radiant glowing skin in just minutes. So you're supposed to leave this in the freezer for 4 more hours, roll it over your face and neck daily for visible improvements. This can also be used on the body to soothe bug bites, sunburn, tense or sore muscles, post-workout, treat bruises and aches, or to lessen discomfort before or after cosmetic treatments. That's actually really cool. So the key benefits help to decrease pore size and improve skin tone, brighten under eye circles, reduces the appearance of blemishes and fine lines, and promotes fluid flushing in the face. Okay, worth $30. That's pretty good. I mean, I'm happy with this product. I'm definitely going to use this product. And hopefully it works. And this product was a product that select members were able to pick and choose. This one they just sent to me because I'm not a select member. Next product. Oh, just by the feel, it's definitely a hand cream. Spongelle hand cream. Coconut. Okay, so it's infused with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and argan oil. Nourish and hydrate your hands with the blend of hyaluronic acid, shea butter, and macadamia seed oils. And this on its own retails for $18. Damn, that's an expensive hand cream. Spongelle's signature hand cream will help soothe, nourish, and hydrate your hands and cuticles. Hopefully it does. This is a product that they just added into the box. Hand creams are something I have so much of, so eventually I will get to it. But like I'm not super stoked for this just because I get hand creams all the time and like my boxy charms and stuff like that, so I'm not like, oh my god, hand cream. But it's cool. Alright, okay, next. Okay, Makeup Drop Hybrid Silicone Pad and Blending Sponge. So Makeup Drop Hybrid Makeup Applicator. This applicator features a silicone side and latex-free sponge side to give your makeup a flawless finish. So it says apply a small amount of product directly to the silicone side, dab, draw, or sculpt makeup onto face and blend out edges with sponge side. So apparently this is supposed to give you like a flawless airbrush finish. I am having a hard time opening up. There you go. It's harder to squeeze than a beauty blender. And the silicone side is very weird. I don't want to touch my face because I have makeup on it, but huh, that's strange. I don't know if I'm gonna like this, but I like to try new things out because you never know, it might actually look really good. So this product on its own retails for $20, and this was a FabFitFun pick, so this is something that they decided to add into the box. Next product, don't look in. Oh, it's a big box. Oh, cute. Isaac Mezrahi loves XO Sienna. It's a ceramic decorative vase. That's adorable. Isaac loves XO Sienna vase. Add a splash of color to your space with this hand-dipped vase. And this on its own retails for $28. So let's open it up, show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is actually really cute. I love that. It's cute as shit. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's tiny. I don't really use vases, but this will look good when I buy my own house in a year and a half. I will save this for my new house, I'm not joking. And I'll just display it in my room for now, but it is really, really, really cute. This was a product that select members were able to pick, but because I didn't have a choice, FabFitFun just picked it for me. Yeah, let's change my hands around. Okay, what's this? Cute, I know what this is, I picked it myself. So this is the Michael Kors Bedford Travel Passport Wallet. Y'all, this is beautiful. I'll tell you right now, I'm gonna use this as an actual wallet. I'm not gonna use it as just a passport wallet because it's too pretty not to use. I can't just save this for when I go on trips. What? It's beautiful. So this sleek wallet keeps your passport, credit cards, and boarding pass super organized, and this on its own retails for $78. Remember when I told you what I paid for the box? The box was $90. This is $78. It makes up over half of what I spent. So I mean, you can't go wrong. Can't go wrong. And this is fucking beautiful. 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 Okay, next. Oh, I picked this one too. So this is the Draper James straw bag with floral scarf. Outfitted with the floral scarf, this floaty bag matches all your warm weather outfits. This on its own retails for $75. That's crazy. This is a product that I was able to pick. It was really cute. It was like between this and two other things I didn't really care for. Things like a face mask. I have so many of them. And I thought this was really cute. Look at this. Ooh. This is freaking cute. I love this. Love, love, love this. Okay, there's two more products left. I picked this one too. Okay, so the next product that I got was the Tom Sydney sunglasses. Check these out. Check these out. Excuse me. These are so cute. I love the cat eye. Aren't these so freaking cute? I picked these myself. Ooh. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh, okay. I gotta put these down. I got makeup on my face. I'm gonna destroy these glasses. Okay, these are like a matte black finish. These are beautiful. So Tom Sydney sunglasses. The oversized and slightly cat-eye frames make for a classic shape to add to your collection, and these on its own retail for $58. Oh, so pretty. Oh, cannot go wrong. Look at that. I gotta stop. I'm gonna ruin my hair and my makeup. And it comes in a cute little Tom's bag. So cute. I love Tom's. Okay, last product. Yes. The last product is the Winky Luxe Universal Eyebrow Pencil. Okay, so on one side you have the eyebrow pencil, duh. And then on the other side you have the spoolie to just brush out your eyebrows and to blend it in. Winky Luxe Uni-Brow Universal Eyebrow Pencil. Get your best brows ever with this universal brow pencil, and this retails on its own for $16. It claims universal shade. I don't understand these pencils. How is it universal shade if not like realistically not everybody can use it. Blondes, redheads, they can't use this. I mean, it's more for like brunettes, I guess, but okay. Universal shade, firm texture, triangle shaped artist tip, custom spoolie end, magically works for all brow shades, maximum control, flexible application, natural and polished look. I don't know if it would work for all brow shades. I mean, people who are blonde, this wouldn't work. It's literally like, it's a brown. People who are redheaded, this wouldn't work. I don't understand. This was a pick that FabFitFun just threw in the box. So that is all the products that I received in my FabFitFun box. Let me tell you what all the products totaled came up to. The total cost of all the products I received in my box was $323. What? I spent $90 on the entire box and I got $323 worth of products. That is why I love these kind of boxes, because what you're spending versus what you're getting is ridiculous. Ridiculous. What I love about the box is that, you know, like, I'm able to go and pick and choose the products that I want versus the products that I don't want. Yes, not for all of them because I'm not a select member, but I like being just a regular member. I liked every single product I got. There's just a few I wasn't like so excited about, and honestly that was the hand cream and the eyebrow pencil. But I'm gonna use both of them because I always run out of this because of all the makeup looks I do, and I'm always using hand cream, so I mean, I'm getting my money's worth for sure. I totally think the FabFitFun box is worth it. 1000%. That completes my video. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to comment on this video, like this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Ouch! That's another blooper. Motherfucker. Shea butter and macadamia. So the Isaac Mezrahi.